डिस्कस करें यूज ऑफ प्रॉपर्टीज। हम प्रॉपर्टी का यूज करके कैसे बाइनोमियल के प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करते हैं, उसके लिए हमें कुछ पॉइंट्स याद रखने पड़ेंगे। सो फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज सिग्मा r इक्वल टू 0 to n NCR, where n is what prefix and r is what suffix, into x power n minus r, prefix minus suffix, into y power r, y power suffix. So this we can write as what x plus y to the whole power n. Okay, initial values of this value should be nc 0, r value if you put 0, so nc 0, and if you put r values what n, so what will come nc n. If you expand this one, what will come nc 0, x power n, y power 0, plus if you put r values 1, so what will come nc 1, x power n minus 1, y power 1, plus nc2, x power n minus 2, y power 2, plus dot dot dot, plus ncn, x power n minus n, y power n. This we can write as what x plus y to the whole power n. Okay, तो यहाँ पे हमें सबसे पहले क्या चेक करते हैं, स्टार्टिंग शुड बी व्हाट, करेक्ट ना, प्रीफिक्स सी 0, correct, suffix starting should be 0 and ending of suffix should be ncn, suffix should be n. Okay, then this we can write as what x plus y to the power n, where n is what prefix. Okay, in language if I write sigma r equal to some कोई initial value, okay, to some final value n. Okay, here some prefix c suffix x power prefix minus suffix into y power suffix. ओके, यदि सफिक्स की स्टार्टिंग वैल्यू है 0, ओके, एंड एंडिंग वैल्यू क्या है, प्रीफिक्स सी प्रीफिक्स. ओके, starting value should be what, prefix c 0, starting should be what, starting should be prefix c 0 and ending should be what, prefix c prefix, correct na. Then this sequence we can write as what, x plus y power prefix. This we have to remember. अब हम डिस्कस करें कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स that you can remember as a result. Okay, so first point is sigma r equal to 0 to n NCR. Okay, तो इसे कैसे फाइंड करेंगे, suffix is what r and prefix is what n. Starting value of suffix is what, r equal to 0. If you put r equal to 0, what will come nc 0, and if you put r value is what n, what will come ncn, that means prefix c prefix. So how to find out this one? Okay, so sigma r equal to 0 to n NCR, correct. Here we don't have x and y value. Okay, so instead of that we can assume 1 power n minus r, prefix minus suffix, into 1 power prefix, that is r. Okay, so now we can see that starting value is what, nc0, and ending value is what, ncn. So this we can write as what, x plus y, 1 plus 1 to the whole power n. Okay, so this we can write as what, sigma r equal to 0 to n NCR. Okay, 1 power anything is what, 1 only, equal to 2 power n. This you can remember as result. 2 power, this is what, prefix. अब हम डिस्कस करें सेकेंड प्रॉब्लम दैट यू हैव टू रिमेंबर एज ए रिजल्ट, सिग्मा r equal to 0 to n r into NCR. Okay, if you put r equal to 0, what will come, 0. So instead of this one we can write as what, sigma r equal to 1 to n r into NCR, correct, because at r equal to 0 we are getting 0. Okay, अब हम क्या करेंगे, first we will try to remove r. Okay, for that we know the properties. NCR, from NCR we can take n and r outside, so we can write this one as what, n by r into n minus 1 c r minus 1. Okay, so we'll use this property. So we can write this one as what, sigma r equal to 1 to n r into NCR. Instead of NCR we can write as what, n by r into n minus 1 c r minus 1. So this we can write as what, n by r into n minus 1 c r minus 1. Okay, so here r are getting cancelled. n is what? Constant. So we can take outside n into sigma r equal to 1 to n minus 1 c r minus 1. Okay, where prefix is what? N minus 1 and suffix is what? R minus 1. Okay, so here we don't have x and y. So instead of that, we can write out 1 power prefix. Prefix is what? N minus 1 minus suffix. Suffix is what? R minus 1 into 1 power R minus 1. Correct? Now, if you put R value is 1, so what will come? N minus 1 C 0. Okay. Similarly, if you put R value is n, what will come? N minus 1 C n minus 1. So we are getting, for in starting is what? N minus 1 C 0 and ending is what? N minus 1 C n minus 1. So this we can write as what? N times x is what? 1 plus y is what? 1 to the power prefix. Prefix is what? N minus 1. So this we can write as what? N into 2 power n minus 1. Okay. So this summation sigma r equal to 0 to n r into NCR. This is nothing but what? N into 2 power n minus 1. So this you can remember directly. Next problem is sigma r equal to 0 to n r square into NCR. Okay. This also we have to remember as a result. Okay. Now how to find out this one? Next problem is sigma r equal to 0 to n r square into NCR. Okay. This also we have to remember as a result. Now we'll simplify this one. So how to find out this one? We are writing this one as what? Sigma r equal to 0 to n. Instead of r square, we are writing as what? R square minus r plus r. Correct? So there is no effect into NCR. Okay. अब हम क्या करें? Sigma r equal to 0 to n r square minus r. This we are writing as what? R into r minus 1 plus r into NCR. अब हम क्या करें? NCR को मल्टीप्लाई करें इनसाइड. Okay, and we are doing sigma also separate. So this we can write as what? Sigma r equal to 0 to n r into r minus 1 into NCR plus sigma r equal to 0 to n r into NCR. Okay, this we have already done in previous problem. So this value is what? N into 2 power n minus 1. Now we have to find out this one. Okay, this we are simplifying here. Sigma r equal to 0 to n r into r minus 1 into NCR. R into r minus 1 into NCR. Okay. Now if we take r value 0, so what will come? 0. And if we take r value is 1, then also it will come 0. So instead of this one, we can write this one as what? Sigma r value should be 2, because for r value 0 and 1 we'll get 0. So we are taking initial values of r is what? 2. 2n r into r minus 1 into NCR. Now we are reaching properties. Correct? So NCR. Correct? NCR we can write as what? N by r into n minus 1 divided by r minus 1 into n minus 2 c r minus 2. This property we will use here. Correct? So instead of NCR we can write this one. Okay. So what will come? Sigma r equal to 2 to n r into r minus 1. NCR we are writing as what? N by r into n minus 1 divided by r minus 1 into n minus 2 c r minus 2. Okay. Here r into r minus 1 getting cancelled. N into n minus 1 is what? Constant. So we can take outside. So this will come outside. N into n minus 1. What will come? Sigma r equal to 2 to n minus 2 c r minus 2. Okay. If you check here, if you put r value is 2, so what will come? R 2 minus 2 is what? 0. And if you put r value is what? N. So what will come? N minus 2. Okay. That means what? Starting value is what? 0 and ending value is what? N minus 2. That means prefix C prefix. Okay. Now we have to put x and y. So okay. So x we can take as what? 1 power prefix is what? N minus 2 minus suffix. Suffix is what? R minus 2 into 1 power r minus 2. Okay. So this we can write as what? 1 plus 1 to the power prefix. So prefix is what? N minus 2, and this is what? Constant. So we are writing as it is, n into n minus 1. Correct? So this will come n into n minus 1 into 2 power n minus 2. Okay, so if you simplify this one, we'll get n into n minus 1 into 2 power n minus 2. Okay, so if you put this value here, so what will come? N into n minus 1 into 2 power n minus 2 plus this one. Okay, now what we are doing? We are taking n into 2 power n minus 2 common. So what is remaining? So this side what is remaining? N minus 1 plus, okay, so n we are taking common and 2 power n minus 2 we are taking common. So what is remaining? 2 is remaining. So this will come what? N into 2 power n minus 2, n minus 1 plus 2. So this will come what? N plus 1. So this is your answer. Okay, so sigma r equal to 0 to n r square into NCR. So this is nothing but what? N into n plus 1 into 2 power n minus 2. This you have to remember.